This faucet is all messed up, stiff, and needs to be replaced. If you ever wonder a good way to get those plastic secure nuts off, I'm going to take this sink apart and deal with it. Let's go. You'll want to turn the water off. This is a newer home, and the valves you have to pull out. They're not the turn type. I already unscrewed one of the water inlet hoses. This is way up there, and this white plastic nut is hard to reach, and you can't turn it by hand. You can spend roughly $20+ for a specialty tool, or just use a PVC pipe like what I'm going to use. I'm going to cut this to a manageable size. This was a little short of 8 inches. Now I'll make 2 notches. And on the other end, I'll drill a hole all the way through. Even if you had to purchase PVC, it's pretty inexpensive. The reason for the hole is to put a stick or a screwdriver through it as a handle to get leverage to help you turn it. It's tight up there and the plastic nut is on secure. But look at this, it loosened it no problem. Now it's easy for me to do the rest by hand. Pretty simple tool, but a must to loosen this nut that's hard to reach. I did both sides. Now the faucet simply lifts up, and lots of grime on the sink I'll have to clean up. Be aware, one problem I did run into was the pipe was too small in diameter. It hit these edges and wouldn't go over the edge to grip on the notches. One of the things I did was open the hole wider. Then it fit perfectly. So you get the right size, it needed to have an opening of 1 inch, no smaller. If you're buying a new PVC pipe, just be aware of the size. If you're like me and you have some laying around, this is how I made the opening bigger. The new plastic nut had 4 notches. I could use the old one, but why not just use the new one? So I marked the pipe to align the extra notches I'll have to cut out. Cut them out, and it was a perfect fit. My little homemade tool allowed me to tighten this nut firm, so the faucet was on good. The best part, it cost me nothing. I'll save this. You never know when I'll need it again. I hope this helped, and if it did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.